Hello friends, in this video let us know about basic proportionality theorem, in short BPT, which is otherwise known as a Thales theorem. This theorem is only applicable to triangles. According to basic proportionality theorem statement, in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, intersecting the other two sides in distinct points, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Consider triangle ABC where the line DE is parallel to BC. In that case, according to basic proportionality theorem, the points D and E divide sides AB and AC in the same ratio. So, the one point that is told to us is the line DE is parallel to BC, and we have to prove that AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. We have to prove this. For the purpose of proof, we have to do a small construction. The construction is, from the point D, drop an altitude on AE. Let this altitude be called as a DP. And from the point E, drop an altitude on AD and let this altitude be known as EQ. So our construction is, we are dropping perpendiculars or altitudes from points D and E on AE and AD respect, such that DP is perpendicular to AE and EQ is perpendicular to AD. With this information, we have to prove basic proportionality theorem. Other than this construction, we will do one more construction. That is, join DC, then join EB. We have joined EB. Now, consider the ratios that I am writing. It is area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE. How to find area of a triangle? Area of triangle is a half of a base. For triangle ADE, because the denominator is BDE, consider the left side of triangle ABC as a base. So for triangle ADE, area of triangle can be taken as half of a base. Base is AD, and on this base the altitude that falls is so half of base into height, and area of triangle BDE is a half of a base. Base is a BD. Since a triangle BDE is obtuse triangle, so its altitude will be outside. From vertex E, the altitude falls on a BD produced. So altitude is E. After few cancellations, we have EQ that is cancelled and 1 by 2 that is cancelled. We will have area of ADE by area of BDE as AD by BD. Let us call this as equation 1. Also, we will take one more such ratio, that is area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CED. So this time we are considering the AC side of triangles. So the numerator, area of ADE, this time we will take it as a half of a base. Base on AC side is AE. Half of base, that is AE, into height. Height is DP. So half of base into height divided by area of CED. So for CE, base is CE and height will be on extended part of CE. So height will be from vertex D to AC. So area of triangle CED is a half of a base. Base we will take it as CE. into external height. External height for obtuse triangle CED is a dp. Then we have similar or like terms which will go cancelled. Now we have area of ADE divided by area of CED as AE divided by CE, and let us call this as equation 2. Now for equation 1 and 2, we want the right side part, that is AD by BD equal to AE by CE. But right sides will be equal when left sides are equal. And in left hand sides, we have the numerators which are same, that is area of ADE. But what about the denominators? The denominators of equation 1 and 2, so left hand side is area of BDE and area of CED. These are the triangles. When you look into the diagram, we have area of triangle BDE and a triangle CED. These are the two triangles which are on the same base. The common base is a DE, and they are between the parallel lines DE and BC. As we know that triangles on same base between parallel lines, triangles on same base between parallel lines are equal in area. This will imply that area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CED. Now for equation 1 and 2, the left hand sides are equal. So the right hand sides must be equal. So from equation 1 and 2, the right hand sides are AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. Hence, the basic proportionality theorem is proved.